Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about x equals to u square because I want to cancel about the square root, so I need to use about u to the power of 2. Later that, we do first derivative for the both sides, and we have to u du. Next, we need to change the bounds. When x equals to number 9, so I will put number 9 gone here. Later that, we put the square root for the both sides, and you got about u equals to number 3. When s equals to number 16, so we put the square root for the both sides, and we got about u equals to number 4. So number 9 we change by number 3. Number 16 we change by number 4. S we change by u squared. Ds we change by 2u du. So this one we have u. U and u we have u squared. And number 2 I will put in here. Next, I will put about negative number 4. Later that, we put about positive number 4. So u squared minus 4 divided by u squared minus 4. You got about number 1. So this one, that is about 2 to the power of 2. And we know that this is about identities, and we have u minus 2, u plus 2. Next, number 4, that's about 2 plus 2. Next, I will put u in here. Later that, we need to minus about u. So this one divided by this one, and this one, that is about like this. So this one divided by this one, and now we have 1 over u minus 2 minus 1 over u plus 2. And now we have the final answer. The integration of number 1, we have u. The integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of u minus 2. And the last one, and now we put the bounds from number 3 to number 4. And now we have the final answer. So this one we have number 2, this one we have number 6, this one we have number 1, this one we have number 5. ln number 1, you got 0. So now we can simplify number 6, that is about number 3 multiplied by number 2. And this one we can put into ln number 3 minus plus ln number 2. This one we have ln number 5. So this one we need to open parentheses. So ln number 2 minus ln number 2. So you got 0. Now number 2 multiplied by number 4 ln number 3. And number 8 minus number 6, we have number 2. This is the end. Thank you for watching.